I did not mean to click that, but that's okay. This can be an audio test. Audio test 1. So neither of my microphones are gonna work. Microphone number 1 has a regular USB cord, and then microphone number 2 has a micro USB cord. And this camera only has like the regular audio plug. Oh no, my battery's gonna die. Okay, we're gonna do this again. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Casie, also known as Lavender Bats, and I am so excited today because I have another secondhand Lacemarket unboxing. I bought 2 dresses from another Lacemarket seller. I bought Resplendent Night Sky OP, which is one that I've had my eye on for a while, even before another YouTuber got it, another swole Lolita YouTuber, and so I'm super excited to get it because she had such wonderful things to say about it, and it's like my favorite color, so it's in lavender other than black. And then I also got a black and white parade clown themed JSK. Both of them are from Taobao, so I'm super excited to try both of them. Both of them are plus size friendly or swole Lolita friendly. So let's get opening. This is my box. I think it's a shoebox wrapped in brown paper, which is really smart. That's very nice. Everything is sealed, so let's see where I can get into it. She used a Demonia box. Oh, she used a Demonia box. I would not have sent anything in my Demonia box. I would have kept my box for my boots. I still do have my box for my boots, but I'm super excited to get into this. Okay, cool. So the black and white one is on top. This one did have some staining, some really slight damage, but I was totally okay with it. She got me a really nice deal. Both items were like between $45 and $50. And I offered her, I think, 80 plus shipping for both, and she agreed. So I was very appreciative of that, so that I could kind of like combine the two. This is super cute. There's glitter in the details on the bottom. I love the split black and white option. I can't wait to try this on. I don't even see the staining. Oh, I guess I kind of do. Barely. I love this. It's got guns and knives and the combs on it. The clowns are really cute, so I can't wait to try this on. I've been recently getting into more like goth clown aesthetic, so I'm super excited to try this one. Moving on, I also have, oh, it's so pretty. So this is the bow that comes with it. This is really loose and it's missing whatever was attached here. You can see it. But it's pretty. I don't know how much or how or when I will wear it, but gold's not really my color, but lavender certainly is. So let's see. I have another bow. The only thing it's kind of missing is going to be like a matching headpiece, because I don't know what I'll put with this. I do have one cream head bow that I can try with it. I like that there is a pearl detailing. This color is so pretty. It's very shiny, it's very shimmery. I love the little bodice waist belt detail. And it's the long sleeve version with these cuffs are so pretty. Look at these cuffs. Is that just loose? I can sew that back in. That's so pretty. Can you see that? There we go. That's so pretty. I love that. I love all the little details. I can't wait to try these on. Be right back. Okay, so I have the first dress on. This is really cute and it fits me really well. I just kind of threw it on over top of the shirt that I have on right now. I will say that this is a little loose, and I can't tell why, if it's just like not fitting very well, or if maybe I'm just so used to like maxing out the bust on my dresses that I'm not used to something having a little bit of space. But this is really cute. I love the black and white. It's very, very cute. And then the print is just fucking adorable. I love it. I think this would look really cute with, I have a neck ruff that I got at Katsucon. And I think that would be really, really cute. I think it's something that I can use as like a clown neck ruff. So yeah, this turned out really cute and I absolutely love it. I love the black and white. I am honestly a little scared about staining the white side. But we will just see. We will have to like wait it out and try it out. There is an event coming up this weekend. It's a swap meet at like a local spot. So I'm really excited to bring a couple pieces to that. I'll show you guys what I'm bringing. But let's try on the next dress first. Okay, so I love it. It's very cute. I love the color. The neck is a little bit wide. Like I feel like it should be coming in a little bit more. But it's super cute. I love this detail right here. It's very cute. I wish it could come down just like a little bit lower, like that bottom of my boob is here, but it looks very cute. I put the little bow here. I've got my, I don't remember if this is AP or baby. I've got my head bow, my little cream white colored head bow, so it looks okay. Slightly off because this is definitely white and this is definitely cream, but it works for now. I've got the little purple bow in the back, which also looks really cute. I think this lipstick might be a little bit too dark for it, but I wasn't redoing all of my makeup for this, so we got what we got, but I love it. One or two of these gems are definitely loose and I think I can fix it. It's definitely too hot for long sleeves, but look at this. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it. The skirt's nice and full. It is very long, which I'm happy with. I'm totally okay with. The longer I've been into Lolita, the more and more I'm getting into longer skirts, like below the knee versus above the knee, or like almost like matronly, though I don't like using that word. But yeah, so that's what I've been getting into quite a lot recently. So I'm very excited to add this non-black item to my wardrobe. With that said, I do have a swap meet coming up this weekend, and I'm hoping to film or record a little bit of it, but we'll see. I want to show you guys what I'm bringing to said swap meet for the other members of my comm to like sort through and look at. I love this dress, but I'm like struggling to keep it covering my bra. Like literally my bra straps are like right here, like right on the edge of where the dress is. But one thing I also noticed with this like really cute charm thing that it came with, it's got a bright red gem right in the middle of it. Like the whole dress is like pearls and purple. Why gold with a red gem? I don't even know. I think this was supposed to be like a pearl or a drop something if I remember from my Swole Lolita Friends review. But oh, I'm not too worried about it. I'm probably not going to wear it anyways. Moving on. Let's look at those. So I wish I'd filmed or picked a better filming location than like my desk. But this is what I've got and this is what I'm working with so far. So the items that I'm bringing right now, these have been items that I've brought. These next two items are ones that I've brought to several swap meets, just no one's bit on them. I've even dropped the price a couple of times. They just don't fit me, so I can't keep them. And I had a really bad experience with selling on Lacemarket, so I'm kind of not interested in selling on Lacemarket right now. But I will buy on Lacemarket. These are what I got. I've got this one. It's a baby dress that is like the chocolate bonbon one. It's got candies on it. Let me see if I can hold this better. It's really cute, and I do wish that it fit me because I love the little candy details and the stripes, but it's got to go. Next, I have this really cute one. It might still fit me if I really wanted it to, but I just don't wear it anymore. It's almost too much color for me. This is a yukata, like a yukata print fabric. I got it at, I think, Capsicon like years and years and years ago. It came with the green little sash, and then I bought this obihime to go with it to kind of like accent it, and it's really cute. So it does really well together, and it's just a really cute outfit. I just don't ever wear it anymore, so it deserves a new home. Next, you guys, if you saw my last Lacemarket unboxing, might remember this one. It is this meta dress. It does not fit me. Would never fit me, even if I lost like 50 pounds. So it's really cute, and I really love it. It's like an Alice in Wonderland themed cards. dress. I even like the color, the like funny blue. But again, it doesn't fit me, so I'm not gonna keep it around. There's like 2 or 3 dresses that I have that don't fit me right now, but they're like such sentimental pieces, I won't get rid of them. But this is not one of them, so it's gotta go. Then I also have 2 skirts. This is a modified baby skirt that is really cute. Again, I don't ever wear it. I don't really wear skirts, so it deserves a new home. It is very cute, but again, don't wear it. It's like a navy color. This one, I don't even remember when or where I got this. I think I got it for like a Christmas cord. It's gingerbread men, with just like a completely rouged, gathered waist, elastic waist. Again, I never wear this, so it deserves a new home too. I've got a couple more items I'm bringing, so I'm gonna go grab those. So these 2, I don't even think anyone is going to want them, but I'm gonna bring them anyways. I have Dreadfalls from a very long time ago. We're talking like 12 to 15 years ago. I think I mainly bought them for like Ren Fair, but like I never wore them, and B, even if I wanted to wear them now, it's kind of culturally appropriative, so I don't feel comfortable wearing them anyways. So I want to give them a good home, a new home. So the first one is this like blonde and purple combo curly Dreadfalls. They're very cute. I absolutely love them. I just don't wear them. Second, and the elastic, I guess, has like run out on these. I think they were supposed to be wrapped or around the head. I don't remember. I don't know why it's so long. Are like a really dark chocolate brown and purple and black Dreadfalls. Again, really cute, very pretty. Don't ever wear them. Not going to wear them. So they deserve to go to a new home. And then the last item is the one that's I'm the most sad about getting rid of. But again, it doesn't fit me, so I'm not gonna lie to myself and pretend like it will. Let me grab it. If you guys remember my last Lacemarket unboxing, I got this gorgeous AP yukata, and it does not fit. I can't get it to wrap around my boobs. I even bought an obi for it, like one of those like cheater pre-tied ones. So doesn't work, doesn't fit. I'm not gonna pretend like it's gonna fit, and I'm not gonna try to like modify or alter it at all. So hopefully I can give this guy a beautiful new home. I hope someone loves her as much as I do, because it's really pretty, and I want to see someone wear it. That's, I guess, not me. Well, that's it for me, you guys. Thanks so much for stopping by and watching me unbox the new and I guess get rid of the old. Hopefully my next video will be the swap meet, but we will see. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite item was, whether it was the, one of the 2 that I purchased or one of the few that I'm getting rid of. Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! Now it's time to film some TikToks.
Every 90 minutes, a person like this gets a dirty look from an old white woman because of the outfit they're wearing. If you're getting looks like this, keep killing it, you look great.
Like purple. Purple. Oh my god, purple. But darling, have you seen purple? This is purple too.
It's so simple. I don't know how I didn't think of it before. Oh, give up.